This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 34 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which guides you through learning the B-flat sequence of major and minor scales and arpeggios. The worksheet illustrates a number of alternative fingerings which can be applied in this sequence. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. You already know the scale and arpeggio of B-flat major. There is a reminder of the long B-flat fingering which can be used in the arpeggio, along with an explanation of the pros and cons of using this fingering. Here is the arpeggio with the side key. And here it is with the long fingering. The major arpeggio is converted to a minor arpeggio, in which you have the same two choices for fingering the top B flat, and the two forms of minor scale are built from that in the usual way. When playing the scales and arpeggio of B flat minor, careful consideration needs to be given to the familiar D flat rule, also known as the C sharp rule and the F sharp rule. Remember, left for scales, right for arpeggios. Here is the arpeggio of B flat minor using the right hand fingering for D flat in the second register. B flat minor is the relative minor of D flat major, a scale which you haven't learned yet, but which has 5 flats in its key signature. The fifth flat is G flat, the enharmonic equivalent of F sharp. As G flat comes just above F natural, you should use the alternative fingerings for this note in both octaves of the harmonic minor and in the descending melodic minor. The places where these fingerings apply are marked in exercises 61 and 62, which help with the learning of the two minor forms. Here is the B-flat sequence. Be sure to complete practice plan 34 meticulously before moving on to lesson 35.